In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Chrome to follow your device colors in just a few seconds. This is a simple way to make Google Chrome match your system theme, so your browser looks cleaner, more consistent, and better blended with the rest of your desktop. If you like quick tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and start by opening a new tab. You can do this from the plus icon at the top of your browser, or by pressing Ctrl+T on Windows or Command+T on Mac. Once the new tab page loads, look to the bottom right corner of the screen. You should see the Customize Chrome button. Depending on your version of Chrome, this may appear as a pencil icon or as a text button that says Customize Chrome. Click that button to open the customization panel. After you click it, a side panel will slide out from the right side of your screen. This panel contains all of Chrome's appearance settings, including background, shortcuts, color theme, and more. Now scroll down through the panel until you reach the bottom of the appearance section. You're looking for the setting called Follow Device Theme. This is the option that tells Chrome to match the colors of your current system theme automatically. Once you find it, turn on the toggle switch next to Follow Device Theme. As soon as you do that, Chrome will instantly update and change colors to match your device theme. If your system is set to dark mode, Chrome will follow that. If your system is using a light theme, Chrome will adjust to that instead. This is really useful if you want a more seamless look across your computer and browser. And that's it. You've successfully made Chrome follow your device colors. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference in how your browser looks and feels. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.